Dalhin mo doon.
Look! Dalhin mo doon. Kami ng
Hi everybody, we're gonna get oysters!
clams.
And clams. And it's so cool. I don't want... No! The water like sinking.
Kuha ng clams. Yun, lalaki oh. Oysters. Wow.
Why did Nai-Nai? Nai-Nai so fast.
Ingat.
This is like sinking.
Careful.
Mommy, stop.
Dito tayo dito sa small stones. Okay, dito ka. O, dito. O, yan. Not on the big stones. Apak ka sa maliliit. Okay? Huwag kang umapak sa big stone.
Oi, oi, oi. It's so bumpy for me. I get the bumpy side.
Bumpy side.
No, I got it. Whoa, be careful. Some of them, maybe some of them are not connected yet. They're not on the side. Oh, be careful for the giant. Go.
Careful ha. Ingat, ingat. Hindi prepared. Ano ba yan? Paano ba ito? Okay. Puti. Lakad tayo sa kanila. Ang daming shells. Lapit na sa kanila. Layo. How far it is. Nagkakagulo na. Ano nangyari? Ano meron? Look! Dalhin mo doon.
Ayan ang lalaki oh.
Dapat malalaki ang kunin mo. Nasira na yung chinelas eh. Ito oh. Lagyan natin sa ano. Chinelas.
Ayaw bigay ni Gian yung pala eh.
Okay na nanay. Actually kamayin niya na yung mas madali.
Hindi, kailangan mo kaya.
Hindi, pero nanay kamayin lang.
I'm gonna go the
Oh, Gian, bring it there.
No, she said only small.
Yeah, big one.
Oh, this one big. Careful baka malaglag.
Oh, may nakuha ka na, Gian?
Now, what's the key?
Oh, here. Oh.
So cool. Whoa! I just closed the clam. I just closed that clam.
Oh, kamusta nanay? Madami na ba kayo na-harvest?
Oh, Gian, get it. It's big.
I want to.
Careful kasi baka tumalsik.
Malayo yun ang inabot namin. Ayun na yung bulilit. Ang layo din. Ay, pala bumalik. Look at that heat. Ano mo yung brother? Kamusta ang luto, oh?
Dahil dito nila